Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel in AI Dev. So we will see here integrate GitHub Copilot into VS Code. So this is the so there is few things we can take care. Let's start. Okay, how can integrate Copilot? So first you need to install Visual Studio Code in your system. So how it would be already in your system, right? Okay, second one is sign in to GitHub. So just open your Visual Studio Code. Okay, let us start. Open. Okay, so there is option in bottom left account. Click here. You can click on turn on cloud changes. Click, then there will be option sign in with GitHub. Okay, so once click, it will open in browser and it will ask for GitHub account. Okay, so you need to log in your account. GitHub. Okay, if you have the authenticated using authenticator, it kind of that will uh, authenticate using the authenticator. Okay, so it will populate the message on your mobile in authenticator app. You just need to put here. Okay. Okay. It will ask uh, for the confirmation, like authorize Visual Studio Code. Okay. You just need to confirm this. Okay. Once done, open this. Okay. You have it is showing finished authorizing this extension to use GitHub. Would you like to try a different way? Yes. Okay. Continue. Okay. Just close this. Okay. Okay. We can check. Okay, if you we can see, it is showing the account GitHub. Okay, let's see the next step. What you need to follow. Make sure your GitHub account has an active Copilot subscription. So this we need to take care before the fourth steps. Okay, so let open your GitHub. Okay, so here you can you have to open the settings. The top right corner, you can go in options and settings. So if you scroll down, there will be the option for the Copilot. Okay. So once click on the features. Okay. Okay. Let me show you again. Copilot features, and it will show you will be here. Like start using Copilot free or try Copilot Pro. Okay. So we are going for the free right now. Okay, so it is already we have done. Copilot is available for editor. We enabled. Okay, so here also you can ask for the questions. Okay, in Copilot. Okay, let's see in the VS Code. Now, okay, the next step is we need to uh, install the GitHub Copilot extension. So just go in VS Code, go in extensions. Okay, in extensions. Okay, we can see the first your AI pair programmer install this. We will see this GitHub chat, Copilot chat as well. Okay, so if you see both are installed using this one. Okay, this is installed. Now we are ready to use the GitHub Copilot. Okay, so let's create one file. like we can create the number functions. Okay, yes, I am creating the TypeScript file. Okay, so as we know, like okay, so you just need to press hash, create a function to check if a number is even or odd. Okay, so you just need to Copilot will suggest you this. Okay, suggest that all the function body. You just need to press the tab. Okay, it will appear here. You can see it write the complete code. Okay, let write for the okay, create a function to check if a number is prime. You can see how it is like it is showing the complete string as well. It assuming like it is suggesting the things what we are thinking to the implement. Okay, so just you need to press the tab. Okay, if you see it is creating the it is suggesting the function as well. Right now it is showing some blur. If you press the tab, it will show again the next statement. Okay, just click, just press the tab. Okay, to okay. So if you see, so this is how it is working, and it is like a kind of the magic. Okay, what you are thinking, it assuming from your words. Okay, so it makes a developer life easy. Okay. Okay, we will see more things. So this was regarding the how we can integrate the Copilot with the Visual Studio Code. If you want to integrate with other tool and facing any issue, let me know in comment. I'll happy to help you guys. Okay, thank you for the watching this video.